Are you a teacher who wants to level up your teaching skills? Old school teaching methods are not enough in this digital world. So, let me share some amazing online tools you can use in your classrooms. But before that, if you haven't subscribed us yet, hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this. Quillbot is a great online tool that uses artificial intelligence technology to help users improve their writing skills. Quillbot has a paraphraser, which means you can rephrase any given content, a grammar checker to check grammatical errors, a plagiarism checker to check any plagiarized content, a co-writer for smart and instant writing, a summarizer, a citation generator, and a translator. The paraphraser and summarizer are free to use while other features are in the premium version. The premium version has 3 plans, the annual one for $49, the semi-annual one for $39, and monthly one for $9. Now let's see how you can use this tool as a teacher. Let's say you have a theory note that you already used in previous years as well. You can use Quillbot to rephrase that note to give a new look and quality. All you have to do is copy the paragraph and paste it here. You can use different levels like standard, fluency, formal, academic, simple, and more. Then click the green color paraphrase button and boom, you gotta rephrase content quickly. Then you can copy it and use it. The next tool is PowerPoint Speaker Coach. It helps teachers give better presentations in class. It listens to how the teacher talks during a PowerPoint show and offers tips to improve. Rehearse with PowerPoint Speaker Coach and get real-time feedback to improve the presentation skills. Follow these steps. Select Slideshow, click Rehearse with Coach, and then click Select Start Rehearsing. As you speak, you'll get guidance in real time for things like not just reading your slides, filler words, potentially sensitive phrases, and more. When you're done, you will get a report with a summary that shows pace, total time, and other ways to improve. Next tool is ClassPoint AI. It is a tool made especially for teachers. It can turn any PowerPoint slide into questions. Even if you have one word, ClassPoint AI can make a question from it. Slides AI is an AI tool that assists teachers to create attractive classroom presentations. It creates presentation slides from the text you provide. Whether you give it a topic idea or the content, Slides AI will process the information and transform it into well-structured slides in seconds. And the last tool we discussed today is ChatGPT. I'm sure that you have heard of ChatGPT at least once. On our previous videos, we shared how teachers can use ChatGPT and how English teachers can use ChatGPT. You can watch those from the links given in pinned comment. ChatGPT is a smart computer program designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It can chat with you in a natural way, answer questions, provide information, or even help with creative writing tasks. For example, I asked ChatGPT to give me example sentences for subject-verb agreement. Look at how ChatGPT gives example sentences with nice explanation. You no longer need to write down these explanations to explain your students in classroom. These are only few tools among many. Don't worry, we created a list of online tools teachers can use. Get the list by clicking the link in the pinned comment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share this video with your fellow teachers.